Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you guys how we can create a scrolling header on a design site on Wix.com. Very easy and simple. What you need to do is go to your design site. Here you see this is my dashboard that is going to appear. What you need to do is go to your Wix.com where you see the option of logging in or signing up. You are going to click on that, and after that you're going to go to your design site. Here you see there's an option of design site. Simply go click on it if you already have a design site, but if you don't have any, then we're going to use the second option. I will show you that too. So this is my design site that I already have created. You see I'm going to go click on this header. Here you see there's an option of setting. I am going to click on this. Here you see there's an option of scrolls with site. There's an option of freezes, disappearing, or fading out. What I'm looking forward to is scroll with site, navigate to this option, and click on this. Now we're going to check if it really works. It does. You see, as I scroll down to my site, my header disappears. It means that it is scrolling down along with my site. But let's just see what difference it makes if we click on the freezing one. If we click on the freezing one, let me just preview it and show you guys what difference does it make. Here, I had clicked on the freezing one, so you see that my header is frozen as I scroll down to my site. Back to the editor, let's just check it out, that how it is going to appear on our mobile mode. Switch to the mobile mode. Here you see there are the same options of setting, scroll with the site, or freezing with the site. We are going to go to scroll with the site, click on the preview. Here, this is how it's going to scroll down as we scroll down our site. So this is how you're going to do it if you already know how to create a design site and add different features. But if you're a newbie, what you're going to do is go to your dashboard or your home screen. Let me just do it for you guys so that you guys will realize. Okay, so what you're going to do is go to your dashboard, add a new picture. Here we're going to go move to our this is how you log in and the dashboard appears. Here you see there's an option of 3 dots. You're going to go click on it. You're going to click on create new site, and this is going to ask you if you want to start a chat or set up without the chat. I am going to set up without chat. You can also use the option of setting it with chat. Now it's going to ask you that what type of website do you want to create. If you are looking forward to online stores, portfolio, blog, consultant, technology company, restaurants, or maybe the events, you can select it according to what you want. I'm simply going to skip it. It is going to prepare my dashboard, but before that, it is going to ask me some additional questions. The questions are, what would you like to call your website? You are going to name your website. For instance, I say ABC, or you can skip it. What are your goals for this site? You can select by clicking on this. Sell products, collect leads, share knowledge, build a community, display creative work. You can click any of these options, just explore, promote myself, promote a business, offer services, or simply skip it. You can also choose the apps you would like to show. I'm going to click on skip and continue to the dashboard. Now the last step that is left is that you are going to go to your design site again. Here you are going to tell Wix that how would you like your design If you want to pick a template, if you don't have an idea of your own, you're going to pick a template. Wix provides hundreds and thousands of different templates for each design that you want, or you can start from the scratch by generating a design. I would prefer pick a template because there's so many options available. Let's just say I choose, you see there's so many options. Let's just say I'm going to choose the one in which the header is quite prominent. Let's just say this one. I'm going to click on edit. Again, it is going to take half or maybe 1 minute to prepare your site and add so many different features to your workplace. You know this is quite worth it. Wix takes a bit time. It is because all of the features are quite secured and you can use any one of them once it is done adding your features to it. Here, you see it is taking time adding the finishing touches. After it is done adding the finishing touches, you can add elements as section, pages and menus, site design. You can add apps. You can use whatever options you want. But right now we're looking forward to how we can cause the scrolling header. Let me just zoom it in for you guys. Here you see there's an option. You can go click on this header scroll setting. You're going to click on, if it is freezing one, you're going to click on the scroll width side. You are going to click on preview. And it is going to show you how it is going to appear on the screen. Here you see it is scrolling down as I scroll down my site. I'm going to click on back to the editor, but if you like this scroll with the site, you are going to click on the publish option. So this is how you're going to add the scrolling header to your design site on Wix.com. It was very easy and a quick tutorial. Quick but detailed tutorial. I hope you guys do not feel like asking any more questions, but if you still have any questions, you may ask. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.